Welcome to Jilly Cube Acrylic Pouring. I just want to share Penny's third birthday, my little grandson, with our son Stephen and his partner Karina. Yes, Penny had her third birthday party down by the river with lots of little friends and family, and she's 3 years old now, and Tali has turned one about 3 months ago, I think it was. So yeah, lovely having the grandchildren around. So I will get on with this particular paint pour. It's a revisited one, and it's with the Montmartre pre-made pouring paints. Always good fun and very easy to do because there's no preparation. So enjoy this little revision pour with me and let me know what you think.
I'm always impressed with the poster paint, to tell you the truth, because it stays so vibrant and yeah, really vibrant and beautiful. Because I've got some dips that I did well over 12 months ago with poster paint on bigger canvases, which I'll put the photo on my Acrylic Art by Jilly Cube Facebook page, and they've stayed just as bright. And so I mean, if you want to do some budget conscious art around your home or gifts, then obviously the poster paint's a good option. I'm not sure, I'll have to Google what the difference is between poster paint. I know one is tempera paint and acrylic. Obviously acrylic, that was what I dipped it with, but then I did a few balloon kisses, so it's, yeah, that one was dipped on that one like that. So, but that is my favourite part of it. So really vibrant, dried really well. So I know I was asked, so these are the Montmartre pre-made pouring paints, and I've used them in a few videos before, so they're really good option for anybody that doesn't want to go through the process of making up all their own paints, but they're still a really good option to make yeah, art for your home. So I'll go through the colours that I'm going to use on this particular pour as I do it. These are just some of the colours, but yeah, it's really nice, easy way. If you're in Australia, I have an online supplier that I get my paints from. That'll be in the drop down box there. You'll see the link straight through to the online website, so you can get these paints, and you can also get the Helmar silicone that I use. So we're all good to go, and I'm gonna just I just put the colours in cups separate. I haven't done anything with them except stir them up, give them a stir. So I'm just going to try and go through the colours. So this one's the magenta in the Montmartre pre-made pouring paint. So I'm going to see what a swipe turns out in these. I think I've done the dirty pour, and I think I've done a dip, and I've done a balloon, but I'm not sure if I've just done the straight out swipe. I can't remember now. So I'm going to just use these paints to just give my little addiction fix for the day, is and then lay down again, because the one thing this feeling ill this time has just made me feel like overly tired, like I've just got to sleep. So I do like to do something because I miss my painting so much, but then I'll go and have a rest, which is a good thing. So that was the magenta, and this is the dusty pink. I had my one son and his partner come and stay Friday, so that was nice. But obviously when you're not feeling well, I feel so guilty that you're not up offering them meals and drinks, that I just wanted to lay down. But I've got good daughter-in-laws that get up and help themselves, so that's good. Don't need to be waited on, which is really good. Okay, and the next one is the peach. So they're all pretty supple colours so far, she says. So it'd be interesting to see how these go on one of my swipes, to see if they actually come out looking like they would normally when I do a swipe. Right, I'm going to throw in the mix the cadmium red, is it? Oh, I can never get this. I've only got a little bit of this left, so I'll just pour it in there. That's all it's going to... and fill that line up. Okay, these paints I believe come like already with everything that you need in them. I presume they've got silicone in them, I'm not sure. They don't seem to sell up too much, so you could add silicone. This is the dark purple. All these colours are available in Australia, and I believe they are becoming available in the US, so not 100% sure about that, but I'm told that they are. So okay, that's them. I was gonna add a little bit of the turquoise, which is gorgeous, just in here. I'll do a few lines of my turquoise, and where I am going to swipe from this top, but I don't like to have a band, as you know. I like to have colour in between, so be brave with colour. Just go for it. Don't let it be scary. Don't be scared of colour. Don't be scared of anything when you're painting. That's what it's all about. There's no boundaries. Just do what you enjoy doing and what your heart leads you to do at the time. If it all turns out that you don't like it in the end, what is it? It's just paint. Just scrape it off. So I'm gently giving it a tilt. This paint is comes probably a little bit runny, definitely a little bit runnier than probably what I would make up. But then again, it can also be thinned with the pouring medium if you want it to do probably different styles. Oops. Okay, so it's just keeping it centered, and I'm trying to get the ends covered, but I don't worry too much about corners because I can just finger pop them afterwards. If I want to put a bit more paint, there's always enough paint that you've run off to pop over with your finger, like all this, like so. And you can go around afterwards, like just finger popping it with the colour that you've run off. So it's all good. No panic, no stress. Use it as therapy. Therapeutic. I'm just washing my hands off, sorry. So, as you know, I don't normally swipe in black or white, but the last couple of pours I've been giving it a go. So I'm going to do the black in the Montmartre pouring paint. Very well, they're all highly pigmented paints, so really do need to wear gloves when you're using this, because it really does stain. So really nicely highly pigmented. So I'm going to just try that and just, I haven't done this one full swipe on the pre-made pouring paints, so fingers crossed it's a good option for those that don't want to worry about the making up of the paint, silicons and so forth, work that goes with it. I'm just going to give it, where am I getting this paint from? Okay, it's on the other side. So this is my plastic file divider that I just think is one of the best things for swiping. So I'm not going to worry if the sides are missed, because I can go down them afterwards. Oh, wow. The black's taken over the whole lot. Oh, but look at those cells. Oh my God. Look at them popping up like night sky. That is so pretty to watch. Oh, that would be so good in a time lapse. Look at that. That's pretty. Oh my goodness, it's like magic happening before your eyes. It's just like, they're just all these tiny little bubble cells popping up before your very eyes. It's really quite magical. Oh. Yep, love my life when things happen that still get me excited in art. Love it, love it, love it. Just going down, see even now where the thicker, it's starting to pop through. Oh, I must take a photograph of that because that looks so magical just as it is, with those little tiny champagne cells. Very exciting. Yeah, that's pretty incredible, isn't it? Look at those. They're just popping up like, yeah, just like champagne. Maybe that's what I need. A bottle of champagne. Where's my phone? I just want to... Okay, I'm using a butane torch now to see if what we get up. Ooh, oh, it's like waving a magic wand. Look at that. If you're not confident, obviously, with a torch like this, then please don't until you're highly confident. Get like either a heat gun, even a hairdryer, as long as the hairdryer's not too close, it'll blow it away. But yeah, the butane torch like this, you really need to feel confident. You really need to have a fire extinguisher, everything handy, because you are working with obviously a gas. And you have to be confident what you're doing, not get frightened and drop it. Well, this is quite, I mean, it's completely different than I would normally get. It's quite amazing because I'm sure that this will just develop over time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it for a little while, maybe 30-40 minutes. I'll come back in and have a look at it, and then I might even give it some balloon work so I can tell you with confidence how this Montmartre pre-made pouring paint actually works, giving it the balloon work, because so that's interesting. But look at that. It's definitely like a starry night, but I'm sure that that's going to develop further and the colours come through, and I'm absolutely sure with a few balloon embellishments. I mean, but if that's the stage you love, then obviously it's perfect. But for me, that needs a little something oomph. Okay, I'll be back soon. Just add in a few balloon dips and rolls. As you can see, the cells have stayed tiny like champagne bubbles, absolutely delicate and beautiful. I tried a little roll. And look at that, that's so gorgeous. I'm just gonna do a couple because I've gone and busted my thing that holds the camera. So I'm gonna have to try and do some balloon rolls and dips and hold the camera at the same time just to get this video finished. So I might just do a few and then that'll be it. So as you can see, absolutely gorgeous. I'm not going to be able to do this, am I? Oh, I'm in a right stew. Okay. Press it in. Roll it. Oh, look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at the effect. So I said I'm like holding my camera with one hand and the balloon in the other. So put it in. Hang on, let me look. Ooh. Oh, yeah, baby. See, I've got that other big one that I've done that I've yet to finish filming, and I've gone and bust my things, so I'm gonna need help trying to organise something to put the camera back up where I had it. But look at that effect in these pre-made pouring paints. I'll do another balloon kiss. Oh, okay. I think it needs the roll. Oh, I'll go and stuff that one up because I'm trying to hold the camera with one hand and film, so I'm all over the shop here. Oh yeah, look at the reds come through now. That's so nice. Oh my god, that looks so cool against that black. There you go, look at the effect you can get with that. Really feathery, tiny little champagne cells, just gorgeous. Look at that, stands out so much against the black, those colours, absolutely gorgeous. One more, yeah, while I've got the camera, because I'll finish it off, but I can't finish it off while I'm holding the camera and that give it the best, but you get the gist that it's just, that was just a little balloon kiss. Balloon kiss there, look. Just gorgeous. Really, really happy with that. So I will do a few more, but I'm just sorry that I've broken my tripod-y thing holder, but I will get back to you. You'll see at the end of this, at the end of this video, I'll put the finished product. But thanks so much for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't do so, please subscribe. More so than anything, watch my videos and enjoy. Thank you so much.